Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have another of my weekly stamping collab videos for you. This week's Facebook group theme is stained glass, and I thought I will join into this one because I don't remember ever creating a manicure that would resemble kind of like the stained glass effect on my nails. So I do hope you will like this video. If you do, then don't forget to thumbs it up for me. And of course, if you are coming from the other channels that are part of this collab, or you just found me and you don't want to miss out on any of my future tutorials, then also hit the subscribe button. This will be a very quick intro. I am very excited to see what everybody else created. Of course, you will find those pictures at the end of the video, and I will link for you everybody's video as well in the description box. Once you are done watching mine, I would appreciate if you go over to the other ladies' channels and show them some love as well. Okay guys, so keep watching. Thank you so much for being here today. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.